Getting eyes on critical equipment in confined spaces to ensure it's working right can be a tough job, especially when that inspection requires a thermal imaging camera. Hi, I'm Steven for Teledyne FLIR, and today I'm going to show you the answer to these inspection challenges. It's the FLIR VS290 Thermal Videoscope Kit. This camera with extended probe can go where traditional thermal cameras never could, thanks to a selection of interchangeable probe lengths and camera tips. There's the VS290-33, which has a rounded side viewing tip with thermal and visual cameras. The VS290-32, which has a rectangular side viewing tip with both cameras. And the VS290-21, which has a thermal camera and the rounded forward viewing tip. The VS290-32 and the VS290-33 probes are 2 meters long, offering greater reach into areas that are difficult or dangerous to access, like underground utility vaults. The VS290-21, with its 1 meter probe and cylindrical tip, is perfectly suited for reaching into confined spaces like large motors or maneuvering into hard-to-reach areas like HVAC systems or within facility walls. While each camera comes with 1 probe, you can add more to your kit. Whether you need to share probes with other VS290 users on your team, have a range of inspection requirements, or just want a spare. The probes are easy to attach in the field. Just turn off the camera, unlock the lens ring, turn, and remove. And then you can attach a new probe. All 3 camera tips offer 160 by 120 thermal imaging, so you can immediately pinpoint hot or cold spots in the scene. Accurately measure the temperature of your target so you can identify signs of wear or potential failure. The VS290-32 and the VS290-33 have the added bonus of FLIR MSX, or multispectral dynamic imaging. Using the 2 megapixel visual camera on the probe tip, the VS290 adds edge detail in real time to full thermal images, making critical targets easier to identify and the thermal image easier to interpret. A bright LED work light on the side viewing tips illuminates the target with a visual camera and boosts details for MSX imaging, while the on-screen MSX alignment allows you to fine-tune the embossed visual details on the vertical axis. The VS290 records radiometric JPEGs as well as thermal video that you can view on the bright display, or view, edit, and analyze using FLIR Thermal Studio Suite software. The VS290 and the FLIR Thermal Studio Suite really make a perfect combination for efficient inspections, whether your targets are electrical, mechanical, or facilities related. You can conduct your inspection, record thermal images of critical equipment, upload images over USB to a computer running FLIR Thermal Studio, and batch process, edit, and organize your images before generating a shareable inspection report PDF. The hard-working VS290 Thermal Videoscope Kit with interchangeable probes. Your solution for inspecting hard-to-reach spaces safely. Learn more at TeledyneFLIR.com.